Hey, hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create different pages or other pages in React JS project. It's quite easy, so let's get started. So here I have a totally a fresh project for you guys. So first of all, what we have to, we need something called a React router. So this is the website reactrouter.com. Here we have some tutorial. We'll be following the same thing here. So step one is very simple. So first go to the package.json. Here you can see we have a React DOM, a React scripts, all these assets. But now what we have to do, we have to install the React router here. So we have a command for it, npm install React router DOM. So we need this. I'll simply install it, and here you can see now we got this, the React router DOM we have received. This was the step one. Step two is go to the index.js file. So this is the main file we have, which basically runs the whole project. Okay, so here what we have to do, first we'll go to this website, select the tutorial. First we have to import the React provider. I'll simply copy the code and I'll just paste it here. So now what we are doing, basically I'll just remove this extra line. So via this line we are basically importing the router provider. Okay, this is what we are doing here. The second thing is we need to copy these lines. I'll tell you why we need these lines. So basically here you can see we have a path slash. It means slash basically represents the home page or the root page of any website. So once we gonna go into this certain path in URL, we'll be basically viewing this element, which is hello world. Okay, I'll just save the file and go to the project. Here you can see we have currently nothing. Why? Because it's still running the this thing, app file it's running. So what we can do, we can copy this code and we can replace here. Okay, now what will happen, now this will run all the things which we have here. Now if I save this file, it should run this hello world here. Okay, so now it's running the hello world. Now but we wanted to see this app.js file. We don't want to see this hello world. So what we can do, with this certain thing we can replace our app file. Okay, so now if I'll save, the main file will run. So now our main file is running. Now let's learn how we can basically run other pages. It's quite simple. First I have to create a new page. I will call it contact page. Okay, contact.js. so we have a new file here. I'll just simply copy this code. Okay, and here I'll write down simple word called contact page. So we will have idea it's a contact page. If I save this and I basically go to contact, here you can see it's not running. The reason for this is we haven't declared it yet. So we have this contact.js, but still in index.js we have to declare it. Okay, and one more thing, we have to replace the contact.js file names. Instead of app, we already have app function, so I will call this contact function. This is contact function. Okay, and here I'll just copy this code and paste here, and I will replace this thing with the contact, and here of course I have to import the contact. Okay, contact function. Now here we have a path. So if I save this, it will actually get confused. If I go to the main page, it will always open the first path. So here I have to write down contact. slash contact, or I can name it anything. Okay, if I save this, and now if I go to the URL and write down contact, here you go, it's loading the contact page. But okay, so here you can see now it's loading the contact page. So it was quite simple. So what if I want to go back? So in that case, definitely I can remove this thing contact from my URL and I'll be going back. But definitely we have to create some links here. So what we can do, in my app.js, I'll create something called link. Why link? Because we don't want our pages to load again and again. So in tutorial we have something called links. Okay, so just copy this thing, this link, copy it and paste it here. Now here what basically we have to do, we have this 2. Okay, so first I'll give this some name. In the name I'll call this contact link, sorry, contact page link. I will call this contact page link, and user.id, here I have to give my URL. So that was slash contact, and it should be inside the quotes like this. And if I save, I must have, okay, I got some kind of error here. The reason link is not defined here. So okay, so our link is basically wasn't defined here. So we have to import it. We haven't imported it yet, so we have to import our link curly, and it will be link from a React Router DOM. Now if I save it, it should work. Here we have this link in a purple contact page. Now if I click on it, I'll be going back to the contact page. I'll copy the same thing and I'll do it here. I'll paste it over here, but this time I will call it homepage. And now instead of slash contact, I will call it simply slash, because we want to go back to the homepage. And then definitely we have to like import it from React, copy, and here we go. So now here you can see it's working smoothly, nicely, and our page is not reloading each time. So this is how it works, and thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great day.